Welcome all of you. The question is, an electric bulb is rated 200 volt 100 watt. So the specifications, the voltage and the power is given. What is its resistance? So you have to find out the resistance of the bulb. Calculate the energy consumed by 3 such bulbs if they glow continuously for 10 hours per complete month of November. Calculate the total cost if the rate is rupees 6.50 per unit. Okay. So let us go step by step. The voltage that can be applied across this bulb is 200 volt. Okay. Next is the power is 100 watt. You have to find the resistance. So P equal to V into I, we know that. We know P and V. So I just replace this I by V by R. So from there P equal to V square divided by R. Therefore the resistance is R equal to V square divided by P. Okay. So what is V? V is 200 volt. So I am just placing it here, 200 square. Power is 100. So 100. So it will be 4, 2 zeros, again 2 0 divided by 100. So it is 0, 0 cancels out. So resistance of the bulb is 400 ohm. So the first part of this question is complete. Resistance of the bulb is 400 ohm. Calculate the energy consumed by 3 such bulbs if they glow continuously for 10 hours for complete month of November. So this type of bulb is connected in a household circuit, and when the household circuit is connected, at that time we have done the parallel connection such that the voltage across each bulb is 200 volt and such that it can glow with all of its energy. So how the circuit connection is? We may consider this is the first bulb, this is the second bulb, and this is the third bulb, and all of them are connected in between the two voltages 200 volt. Clear? So all of them have the same resistance. Okay. So if I try to find out the equivalent resistance here, the R equivalent, okay, then we have to calculate, we have to go for the formula parallel combination, and you know that the reciprocal that is 1 by RQ is equal to 1 by R plus 1 by R plus 1 by R. So R equivalent is basically R divided by 3. Resistance of each bulb is 400. So I am just placing here 400 divided by 3 ohm. So this is the resistance of this combination. Okay. Now it is applied, it is glows continuously for 10 hours. So time is given, time is T equal to 10 hours, it is given. And for the complete month of November, so 10 hours in one day. So in the month of November contained in 30 days. So 10 hours into 30, this is the time. Okay. So if I go for the amount of heat generated, that is which is the energy consumed, basically we go for the formula that is V square into small t divided by R. I square RT, another form is V square T by R. What is V? V is 200 whole square. What is the time? Time is 10 into 30. What is resistance? Resistance is 400 divided by 3. So here it will be 4 After that 4 zeros, here it is 10, it is 30, divided by 400 into 3. So these 2 zeros and these 4 cancels out, so it will be 100. So 3 into 3 is 9, 1, 2 and 2, that is 9 into 10 to the power 4 watt hour. So if I want to find the kilowatt hour, that will be 90 kilowatt hour. Okay, so 1 kilowatt hour means 1 unit. Calculate the total cost if the rate is rupees 6.50 per unit. Okay, so we have to just multiply this. The cost equal to rupees 6.50 into 90. So I can treat it as 6.5. So 6.5 into 9, 9 5s are 45, 4 in my hand, 9 into 6 is 36, 36 plus 4 is 40, so it is 40, okay, and here is the 0, so 40.5, 40.5 into 10, so simply the 405. So this is the answer. Thank you all of you.